Have you got deactivated Twitter account? Here's how you reactivate it in seconds. First off, the following tutorial will use Android, but the same steps can be reproduced on your iOS device as well. All you need to do is to have Twitter application first installed via Play Store or App Store. And once you do, please follow this tutorial. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Okay, here we go. Open your Twitter application on your mobile phone, and from there, just go to your profile, choose add an existing account. From there you can enter your deactivated account. For example, I will enter mine, the test account, and from there I will enter the password and just click login. FYI, your account can be deactivated because of several reasons. In this particular scenario, it is because I deactivate the account first, but the process of reactivation can only be done in 30 days grace period from when the deactivation starts. So in my case, I deactivate my account on the 16th of April, and that gives me a 30 days window. It will be permanently deactivated or permanently deleted after 16th of May 2022. So if Twitter prompts you to reactivate your account, you just choose yes, reactivate from there. And now as you can see that my account has been reactivated once more. And voila, that's how you reactivate your deactivated Twitter account in seconds. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Tech Tricks to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Take care you too. Bye.